Welcome back, everybody. My name is Tom Olsen. The name of the show is Olsen on Law, every Saturday at 11 a.m. right here on News 96.5. I'd like to introduce you to attorney Michelle Berry. She specializes in family law, including divorce, alimony, child support, and time sharing. Hey, Michelle, welcome to the show.
Hey, thanks for having me, Tom.
Michelle, I get email questions all the time, and when I get the family law divorce questions, I always send those emails to you, and we had one last week that I wanted listeners to hear about, and that is, it was a couple that followed a sign that said $99 divorce, and I want you to tell listeners out there what might go wrong if you pursue one of these signs that say divorces for $99.
Well, those signs are somewhat misleading because what those are basically for document preparation. And if what you have are two people with, for instance, no children, no assets, no debt, nothing to worry about fighting about, sometimes there's nothing wrong with going to a document preparation service. However, that's all you get. So if, for instance, it turned into a contested divorce or something a little bit more, ugly, then all of a sudden you'd realize you don't have an attorney, you've got some documents that have been prepared. Also, that $99 fee does not include the cost of filing, because filing in and of itself is over $400.
Yeah.
So that's just to file any divorce in Florida. So, but the document preparation can be helpful if there's no contest, but more often than not, it turns into a situation where an attorney is needed by at least one party, if not both.
Well, I had the feeling from this email questions that what the people were really upset about is they think, okay, I get divorced for $99, and there's nothing on the sign telling about what the actual court costs are. So there are filing fees when you file a divorce. And do those vary from county to county, or are they the same throughout the state of Florida?
They're pretty much the same throughout the state of Florida. Some of them, normally the actual filing fee is $408. Then the clerk of court adds another $10 for the service stamp if they have to have a summons issued. And sometimes there's also, if there were a filing fee to go through the e-portal, which is the latest thing, everybody's using the electronic filing system the state of Florida offers now. That has been made available to pro se litigants that are parties representing themselves. So they could use that same portal. That portal charges an extra $5 for the convenience of using it. So you're looking at about $423 to file a dissolution in the state of Florida. And that is not included in that $99. Basically that's a fill in the blank. Give me the document and tell us who you are. And for that money, those folks could do that themselves. That's why it's always best to have a lawyer involved when you're dealing with the legal system.
Well, Michelle, when anybody approaches our office or calls our office looking for a family law divorce attorney, you are the one. Tell the listeners how they can reach you.
And I do appreciate that, Tom. My telephone number at the office is 407-622-4529. But the best way to reach me is by email, by looking at my website, and that is www.mbarrylaw.com. And I look forward to working with you in any of your marital and family concerns.
Thank you. We appreciate it. That's attorney Michelle Berry. She's a family law divorce attorney right here in Central Florida.